Hello, my Math 3 scholars. Today we're going to look at angle measures, and we're going to start by plotting some points on a coordinate plane and seeing what kind of angle measure that creates, okay? Now, before we do this, before we plot these points, I just want to talk to you about some things that you should remember about angle measures. One of those things is that if we look at an angle that measures like this, that's a 90-degree angle. So we know this here is a 90-degree angle. Let's write that there. That's 90 degrees. If we go from here all the way around to this side here, that is a 180-degree angle. If we go from here and we go all the way around to here, that is going to be 180 plus 90, which is 270 degrees. So this is a 270-degree angle. And then if we go all the way around to where we started, that's a 360-degree angle, okay? So just want to remind you of those things as we're looking at plotting these points and seeing what kind of angle that it's creating, okay? So if I were to plot this point here, 0, 1, so 0, 1, 0, and up 1, that's this point here. So that means I'm looking at this angle that I have marked right here. I'm looking from here to here. So that angle is 90 degrees. So we would say here that this creates a 90-degree angle, okay? Let's look at 2, 2, okay? If we do the point 2 and then up 2, that's this one. Now, if you'll see here, that creates an angle that goes like this. And we can see that that's about halfway between here and here. Which is a 90-degree angle. So if we took half of 90, that would be a 45-degree angle. And then if we look at -3, +3, okay, if we draw that angle in, we can see that that angle does that, which if we look at that one, we can see that we've went 90, but it looks like we've went about half of another 90. So we went like 90 plus 45, which would be a 135-degree angle. So that is from here to this line would be our 145-degree angle, or 135, sorry. Then if I look at -1, 0, okay, that's here. -1, 0 is there. That means I'm going from here all the way around to this point here. So that I went halfway, so that's going to be a 180-degree angle. If we look at 5, 0, that's here. Okay, that means we start here and we go all the way around. So that's going to be a 360-degree angle. And then one more, if we look at 4 and go down to -4, oh, that's -3, -4, okay, we can see that we've went about halfway between this quadrant 4 here. So remember, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So we've went about halfway through quadrant 4. So remember, this is 90, and then 180, and then 270, and then if we do half of this next 90, that'd be 270 plus 45, which would be 315 degrees. So this would be 315 degrees. So what we're doing is looking at how these angle measures go around our coordinate plane. If you have any questions, let me know.